Page 32. Unit 4. The Amazon Rainforest. Lesson 1. Comparisons. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Colorful macaw.
2,
Plain egret.
3,
Dangerous jaguar.
4,
Friendly river dolphin.
5,
Energetic spider monkey.
6.
Calm sloth.
Page 32. B. Listen and number. Then talk about the picture. 1,
Julie, look at that dolphin. Wow, it's pink. Excuse me, sir. What kind of dolphin is that?
That's a river dolphin. They're very friendly. They live in South America.
2,
There's a big cat next to the river. It looks dangerous.
That's a jaguar. It's smaller than a lion or a tiger, but it is dangerous.
3,
Is that yellow and bluebird a macaw? It has colorful feathers.
Yes, it is. We learned about them in school. There are 18 different kinds of macaws.
There's a red and green one over there. I'm going to take a picture of it.
4,
What kind of bird is that, Miss Spelling? It's white and has long wings.
Here it is in our book. It's called an egret. They eat fish and frogs.
I like the egret. It's plain, but it's very pretty.
5,
Is that tree moving? Yeah, it's a spider monkey. It's climbing in the tree. There's a sloth in the tree, too. The spider monkey is energetic, but the sloth is calm. I think you're more like the spider monkey, Danny. Hey!
Page 33. C. Listen and say. Then practice.
The macaw is more colorful than the egret. Colorful. More colorful. Plain. Plainer. Dangerous. More dangerous. Friendly. Friendlier. Energetic. More energetic. Calm. Calmer.
1,
The macaw is more colorful than the egret.
2,
The egret is plainer than the macaw.
3,
The jaguar is more dangerous than the river dolphin.
4,
The river dolphin is friendlier than the jaguar.
5,
The spider monkey is more energetic than the sloth.
6.
The sloth is calmer than the spider monkey.
Page 33. D. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
Is the macaw more colorful than the egret?
Yes, it is.
Is the macaw plainer than the egret?
No, it isn't.
Isn't. Is not.
1,
Is the macaw more colorful than the egret? Yes, it is.
2,
Is the spider monkey calmer than the sloth? No, it isn't.
3,
Is the jaguar more dangerous than the river dolphin? Yes, it is.
4,
Is the sloth more energetic than the spider monkey? No, it isn't.
5,
Is the egret plainer than the macaw? Yes, it is.
6,
Is the river dolphin friendlier than the jaguar?
Yes, it is.